For all those newly married out there who just missed out on having their favorite bachelor pad kitchen look of a New York City noir theme, this will be your favorite pick. This funky rustic look completed with this rustic kitchen, a leather finished granite top and a concrete finished laminate. To make the maximum usage of the corners, we have the best variant of a magic corner here. Next, we have a tandem drawer here that comes with an internal drawer. This is to reduce the number of lines on the outside. Here we have our two tall units. This one here with a rolling shutter. This can take care of all your appliances, and you can even have a variant which has a pull-out tray. So this takes care of all your appliances that's kept within. And this one here is a shutter that is finished with tinted glass and aluminum frame.